So I think three key takeaways for me of the event this week. The first, and a word that keeps cropping up, is uncertainty. So with the Russia-Ukraine situation ongoing and supply chain issues continuing to impact ability to deliver on orders, although we see that easing, it's still an issue, as well as inflation and ongoing impact of COVID in China. There's a lot of uncertainty in the industry. The COVID bounce back for 2023, I think will get people through a lot of 2023 next year, but certainly for 2024, the outlook is much more uncertain, and that's something that people are really looking to understand better. With that, I think there's then a term of resilience. So how can companies build resilience into their business? Whether that's supply chain localization, whether it's IT/OT integration and better data access. That's becoming increasingly important and a big feature here at the event this week. And then the final one would be sustainability. So how do companies work together to build a more sustainable industry? How can we positively impact on global climate change? And I think we've seen a lot of that this week. It's an area of real focus for our research as we move into 2023, and certainly for the show summary that we'll be putting together after SPS next week. We'll be calling out some of our key findings, so look out for that as well.